There's this idea that 80% of the mass in the universe is dark matter, and we can't see it. We can't see 80% of the mass in the universe. I think that's wrong. I think it's a mistake to say that. I'm a particle physicist. I work at a research institution. And we have this idea that there's this stuff called dark matter. They say it makes up 80% of the mass of the universe. That's wrong. That's not what the data say. The data say that 80% of the mass of galaxies is dark matter, and that because there's this effect that we observe in galaxies, where there seems to be more gravity than we can account for. More specifically, stars in galaxies rotate faster than they should. There's some other things that we see that are weird, that seem to indicate that there's more mass than we can see. But that's not what the data say for the entire universe. And if you go and look at the data for the entire universe, it doesn't say that. What the data say is that 80% of the energy density of the universe is in this thing called dark energy, which is nothing to do with dark matter. Dark energy is the thing that's causing the accelerated expansion of the universe. Dark matter is the thing that's supposedly making galaxies rotate faster. Now, I say supposedly because I don't believe that's what's happening. I think there's something wrong with our theories. I think we don't understand gravity yet. We understand gravity very well in the regime that we experience it here on Earth. But the thing is, that doesn't mean that we understand it for all scales. We have no idea how gravity works. I mean, we have no idea what makes gravity, what makes the gravitational interaction. We don't know. We have some ideas, but we don't know. So we can't just assume that what we know about gravity here on Earth is the same as what's happening in these galaxies. We don't know that. And so I think it's very premature to say that there's this stuff called dark matter that makes up 80% of the universe. There's no data for that. The data really only say that there's this stuff that makes up 80% of the energy density of the universe. And that could be dark energy, which has nothing to do with dark matter, or it could be something else. I'm not saying it has to be dark matter. I'm just saying let's not jump to the conclusion that it's dark matter. Let's try to understand gravity better. I think that's a very underappreciated idea. People don't appreciate that we don't know what gravity is. They think we do. They think we know how gravity works. We don't. We have no idea. And it's one of the most profound mysteries of the universe that we don't know what makes gravity. If you like optimistic science and tech stories, follow for more.